Okay, so there is a big storm system heading this way. I have a friend over in Wisconsin, and he said that it's really bad there right now, and it's going to be here in like 2 hours, hour and a half. Um, Possibility for hail, tornadoes, strong winds, lots of rain. So I'm just going to get my shelter ready right now. And by shelter, I mean my bathtub. So let's go. I already grabbed a couple blankets and a pillow. I'm gonna grab a lighter and a couple candles. I think I have more candles in my bathroom already. I put my candle in there. Ugh. Okay. I need to just throw out the bottle of body wash that I've had for literally like 3 years. I haven't emptied it, so I've just kept it, but I'm like, you know what? Might be time to get rid of it. Okay. Pillow. Actually, you know what? No, that's fine. Pillow. Well, on the plus side, at least I showered yesterday, so my shower is dry. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, so I put one blanket down to sit on with my pillow, and then another blanket to cover with. And then if I feel like I need more like shelter, I'll close the curtain. Got a couple candles and my lighter there already. I've got more candles down there. Kindle. Yeah. And I'll probably just bring like a water in with me. So I guess I'm as ready as I can be. I'm going to go charge my phone up and wait for the storm to come.